Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about a feature that made everyone mad in CDT. So the feature I'm talking about is the Star Shop feature. But not the whole feature though. I'm talking about when the feature Karma used to have free Lamborghinis, where you only need 9 Karma stars to buy any, and the Lamborghini rotated every week. Here, as you can see, there used to be overpowered limited Lamborghinis only to be bought by 9,000 stars. You can earn stars very easily. Here are the Lamborghinis that returned every week to be bought by 9,000 stars. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, Lamborghini Centenario Coupe, Lamborghini Chiron. But that was all for now. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe and have a good day.